Who are you surrounding yourself with, man, is one thing that I keep seeing has been the number one thing that shows me where I can go to where I meet Josh, whose portfolio of companies is probably anywhere from $5 to $800 million. Up until that point, like, I didn't even know that was possible. Like, is that really humanly possible to do that? And yeah, you hear about people on the news, but then you go meet them, you're like, oh my God, it's real. We could do it. Like, it's right there. Like, it's tangible. He did it. I would have never thought that way if I never would have met him, if I wasn't surrounded with other people in there who are doing tens of millions to hundreds of millions of dollars in revenue, right? And yes, they still have good net profits, but I would have never even thought that was humanly possible unless I would have met them, right? I'm going to Tim Brott's mastermind in like 2 weeks, and Tim, I think, has a net worth of like $500 million or something. But I wouldn't even know that's possible until you meet him. Like, oh, wow, it's tangible. It's real. That's why I pay to get into these things, right? Proximity and seeing that it is possible. And then I'm sitting here thinking like, oh, wow, this is our goal. Oh, man, like that's, again, it's too small. It's too small. It's too small, number one, because I can't affect all of our employees and change their lives with the amount of money they make, right? And it's too small, too, for me. Oh, wow, he did it. And it's not a knock on him. It's more of a knock on me that I wasn't thinking big enough. I'm not trying to say Josh isn't an amazing entrepreneur, but Stratton, like, if he did it, bro, we can do it. Like, someone did it. Why don't we try and figure out how to do it and shoot bigger?